When the Toro Flex-Florce power system meets the Toro 60-volt max attachment-capable string trimmer, you got best-in-class power and performance, plus multi-tool versatility like no other. You got a power head with Toro's 3-phase brushless motor with Run Smart onboard intel. Always there, optimizing RPMs and torque, maintaining peak performance. And when we say multi-tool, we mean it. Check this out. You got a trimmer with a variable speed trigger, high-low speed selector, quick feed line reloading, and your choice of 14 inches or 16 inches of slicing and dicing. Then, pop the stick edger in and stick it to it. Unwieldy hedges? Wield this. Branches to obliterate? You know what to do. Cultivating? Just plow right through. The Toro 60-volt max attachment-capable string trimmer. You got the Flex-Florce battery power head and a bunch of its interchangeable and unbeatable friends to conveniently keep you cranking. You got the ability to finish everything without sacrificing anything. You got power without compromise.